big band called Cemento. Itong Cemento, parang kumbaga parang ano siya, parang Eraserheads, no? Parang gano'n. Parang Wolfgang. O, sige. Parang ganong kalaking banda. Tapos idol na idol siya ni Gino. Tapos meron nangyari in the past sa kanilang dalawa. Sa music. Tapos yun. Tapos, ayun. Magpe-play ng big part itong si Basti sa music nilang dalawa.
Sa music, but not on their personal relationships.
Kasama na rin.
Alright.
Sino yan? Ba't hindi natin invite sa BlogCon? Sino ba yung Basti? Kung nandito, charot.
May I ask, Piola, since yun nga, may mga, there are rock stars amongst the cast. Was it like very cool to work with them?
It was an experience. One of my friends here is Teddy Corpus, and Baji Mortiz, kasama namin sa band. And then you have Jet Pangan, of course, from the Dawn.
Okay.
I grew up watching Jet, and talagang we had so much good time, hanging and bonding with these musicians. We had the one scene wherein we had Sponge Cola, Yael, we had Ebe, and then Basti, all of them in one place. So it was so much fun. It was a treat actually para sa amin lahat kasi ito talaga yung mga authentic na musicians. Makikita mo talaga sila how they are as people. Kaya parang mas authentic yung experience with them.
Working with them, did you get the chance to, somehow make music, perhaps sometime soon?
We made the movie. We were pressed for time, I guess. There was one scene, si Ebe Ebe performed, diba? Pero kasi we had to double time because we had a lot of scenes to cover, so...
Okay. So medyo busy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, John. Okay. More questions? Ayan si Jude. Jude, may question. Jude. English na naman to.
Good morning.
Dito ka na, Jude.
Congratulations. Para sa tatlo, how do you handle breakups?
Move on.
Direct to net. Daling sagutin, ano?
Si Piola po muna.
Magaling ako dyan kasi nakailang relationship lang naman ako. How do you handle breakup? I don't know, personally, I guess. You have to look at the good side. You have to... when I think about the breakup playlist, parang, do you dwell on it? Do you dwell on the breakup or the experience? And then I realize, siguro it's so much better to just think of the good things that you guys experienced together instead of thinking of the negative things that happened, because in the course of time, sa relationship niyo, naging masaya naman kayo, di ba? Kung nag-break up kayo just because you had to be better people and you had to let go of each other to grow as individuals, then you look at the positive side of things instead of focusing on the things na nakasira sa inyong dalawa para mas maganda yung picture mo nung ka-relationship mo or kung ano man yung pinagdaanan ninyo. Sa akin, hindi ko whenever I think of the past, I guess iniisip ko yung magagandang bagay. And then pag natapos na, hindi naman tayo perfectong tao, pero I move on. I try to be better kasi iniisip ko bakit kailangan mag-break or bakit kailangan mag-break. Isipin mo na lang na kung makakabuti para sa inyo pareho, then you gotta have to let go of that person. At pati yung sarili mo para at least baka yun ang paraan para maging mas mabuti kayong tao. How do I deal with breakups? Sinusubsob ko yung sarili ko sa trabaho. Mahirap kasi naglilinger di ba? Pero siguro isipin mo na lang, i-divert mo na lang yung attention mo sa ibang bagay. Pero masarap din siya, especially sa mga artistang katulad ko kasi nagagamit ko sa mga eksena pag may kailangan, di ba? So isipin mo na lang yung gano'n. Nagagamit pa. I hope I made sense.
Direct.
Ako yun, parehas. Work. Tsaka nagpapasalamat ako, binless ako ni Lord with good friends.
Kasi pag... Hindi, kasi diba, pag dadaanan mo yung 5 stages of grief eh, mahirap yun pag nandun ka sa depression stage, diba? So, kailangan mo talaga ng kaibigan na sasama sa'yo, na i-assure ka na okay lang, diba? So yun yung ano, ganun ko siya i-handle.
So yung friends na, yung support group mo. Yung
May
friends.
support group eh, may kailangan talaga.
Si Direk ba? Bago si Direk, may mga breakup siya ba?
Si Ryan Gosling po, hindi kami
Ay,
nag-
sabi.
I was too busy. Oh. Ako po, nag-video okay ako. So parang applicable sa akin yung may playlist. Kasi may playlist na ako sa video okay. Pag
Whitney Houston ba ito?
Whitney Houston, kayang-kaya ko, Someone Like You. Piyasa ko yung last song. Someone Like
Parang
You.
si Chris Aquino lang pala, no? Bawat ano sa buhay niya na may playlist.
Oo, ganun. Parang kasi tayong mga Pinoy, ewan ko, kahit siguro hindi Pinoy, parang kapag nakikipag-break ka, hindi ka kasi nakikinig sa mga happy songs eh. Diba? Hindi ka nakikinig sa mga, happy, ganyan. Nakikinig ka sa mga, mas lalo ka pang papalungkutin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Oo, lalo ka pang sasadlak, gano'n. Mas masaya malungkot pag may malungkot na love song. So, yung breakup playlist yan. Kaya, maraming may breakup playlist talaga kasi parang, ewan ko, parang mas masarap umiyak kapag may kasama kang soundtrack sa likod na Ngumangawarin for You. Ayan. May scoring ka.
Okay. For Piolo, given the fact naman na lahat tayo, we go into relationships and we're not parang exempted to feel pain or to suffer or end up heartbroken. Being the father of Inigo, ano yung gusto mong